Hello everybody, my name is Haj, and in today's video I will talk about stacking Nikon's F mount teleconverters. Teleconverters are an easy, lighter and cheaper way for extending the focal length of a lens. However, because there is no such thing as free meal, using a teleconverter comes with loss of light and a hit on the image quality. For example, a 300 millimeters 2.8 lens like this one will become a 420 millimeters f4 lens once you attach the 1.4 teleconverter, and I did not see any loss in image quality at all. Once you attach the 1.7 teleconverter on that lens, yes, it become a 510 millimeters f4.5 lens, but you notice a little bit of loss in image quality. And finally, although it's sweet to have a 600 millimeters f5.6 lens, the quality of the image is noticeably worse than if you would use then the lens without the teleconverter. However, I still find the image quality with the 2x teleconverter more than acceptable for my use, so I'm using it quite regularly. My main issue with teleconverter, on the other hand, is that when I was using my DSLR camera, they slow down the autofocus considerably. In addition, when I use my 500 f4 lens with the 2x teleconverter, I could not autofocus fine-tune the lens anymore. But since I got my Z9, autofocus fine-tuning is a thing of the past. And it seems also like the teleconverter does not impact the autofocus speed and the tracking. So now I'm even tempted to stack two teleconverter and use it with the Z9 teleconverter from other manufacturer like Canon, or here I have the Kenko teleconverter can be stacked together very easily. Same also for the Sigma teleconverter, you can stack them together. However, with Nikon teleconverter, it is just physically impossible to stack two teleconverter because of this little tab on the front of the teleconverter. In addition, I find it very fiddly actually and annoying to put the lens cap on the teleconverter. And again, that is because of that little tab here. And finally, because of again that little tab, you cannot use the teleconverter on certain lenses. For example, I would like to use the 1.4 teleconverter on this tilt shift lens, but cannot attach it to this lens. So I decided to file off that little tab on my free teleconverters. I will use a Dremel multi-purpose tool. One thing to remember is that doing so will void the Nikon warranty of your teleconverter. So let's go to work then. We'll start with the 1.4 teleconverters, and you need to undo the 4 screws here. And move that aside, carefully away. And don't forget And that's it. Now it's done. Now I can put it back. And now let's attach it. Let's put the cover back. Here we go. And here we are. Let's try now. Here is my 2x teleconverter, and align the dots with the dots, and here we go. You have a stacked Nikon teleconverter. Now I can attach this to my 300mm lens. Then I have now a very long focal length. Oh la! Also, now it's very easy to attach the lens cap. That's it for today's video. I will soon test the Nikon Z9 with a stacked teleconverter, so stay tuned, and until next time then, bye!